Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about the most important project. A project which was started to protect our national animal tiger. And the name of that project is Project Tiger. So today let us learn more about what is called as the Project Tiger. Now, these tigers play a pivotal role in the health of the ecosystem. So, these tigers, they play a important role in the health of the ecosystem. Now, ecosystem, it is a group of living organisms that live and interact with each other. For example, forests, deserts, rivers, etc. So, these tigers, they maintain the balance of the food chain in the ecosystem. Now this tigers, it is a symbol that is an essential part of our culture. Now why it is called as the essential part of our culture? Because we already know that in Hindu mythology the tiger is considered as the vehicle of goddess Durga. Now these tigers, they are endemic species nowadays. Now they are called as the endemic species because they are found only in particular regions. They are not found everywhere. So these tigers, they are endemic species nowadays. With decreasing population of tiger, many countries across the world have launched the campaigns to increase the tiger population. Now, what is this Project Tiger? Project Tiger is one of the well-published wildlife campaigns launched by India in order to protect Bengal tigers. They are called as Bengal tigers because it is just a name given by a hunter as they were found in Bengal. It was launched on 1st April 1973 by the Government of India during the Prime Minister Indira Gandhi's tenure, and Kailash Shankala was the first director of Project Tiger. It aims at conservation in specially constituted tiger reserves throughout India. It strives to maintain viable population of tigers. Viable means reasonable. So, it strives to maintain reasonable population of tigers in their natural environment. At the time of implementation of this project, there were only 9 national parks, but gradually total 19 national parks came under this project. On those national parks, they used to take proper care of tigers without killing or harming them, and they used to regularly check on their population. Now, Jim Corbett National Park was the first national park in India to be covered under this project. It has been one of our most successful ventures in recent times.
Now let us see the objectives of Tiger Project. The first objective is to ensure maintenance of valuable population of tiger in India for scientific, economic, aesthetic, cultural and ecological values. To increase in the balance of the population of tiger for the purpose of scientific as well as for the beauty and for the culture as it denotes to be the god and ecological values for the ecosystem purpose. Second objective is to preserve area of biological importance as a national heritage. So it is indeed important to preserve the areas of biological importance as a national heritage. Third and the main point is to create awareness among the people for the wildlife and biological conservation, not only for the conservation of the tigers but also for the conservation of the wildlife, the species that are endangered. Now let us see the achievement. What will be the achievement of the Tiger Project? excellent recovery of habitat. With the increase in awareness among each citizen of the Project Tiger, there was an excellent recovery of habitat. Habitat is the area of the species living in. Consequent increase in tiger population. There was an increase in tiger population that was seen. Tiger became an indicator of the stability of ecosystem. He is the indicator to manage the balance of the ecosystem as well as acts out to be the balance maker in the food chain.
Now, who is responsible for depletion of tigers? Here are the four main reasons. Poaching for trade, because there is value of tiger in market. Shrinking habitat, that is loss of areas where tigers live. Depletion of prey-based species means the loss of food for tigers, which depend for food on smaller animals. Growing human population. Because of growing human population, people are disturbing natural habitat of animals to settle themselves. Poaching is one of the major threats to tigers from human beings. Poaching is illegal killing of tigers for skin, bone, teeth, claws, and also for medicinal purpose. Due to these activities, there is depletion of tigers, and if we don't stop poaching, tiger would become extinct and there will be no tigers left, which will affect our ecosystem in future. Need to save tigers. To conserve the ecosystem, largest carnivore in the ecosystem, tiger is at the apex of food chain, national animal of India. In India, tiger is the symbol of our culture. It is the national animal of India. As I already said, tigers are at the height of food chain and threat to their natural prey is itself threat to ecosystem. So in order to maintain stability and conserve ecosystem, we need to save tigers.
Current status of Project Tiger. India is home to 80% of tigers in the world. There were only 9 tiger reserves covering about 18,278 square meter. It has now grown to 51 tiger reserves covering about 72,749 square kilometer. The tiger population is counted every 4 years. In 2006, there were 1,411 tigers. They were increased to 1,706 in 2010. In 2014, they have increased to 2,226, and in 2018, the population has increased to 2,967. The next counting will be done in 2022. Tiger reserves in India. There are 51 tiger reserves in India which are governed by Project Tiger, which is administered by the National Tiger Conservation Authority, that is NTCA. Madhya Pradesh has the highest number of tiger reserves in India. This state has also highest number of tiger population. The tiger reserve Nagarjun Sagar Sri Sailam, which is in Andhra Pradesh, is the largest tiger reserve in India. The Corbett Tiger Reserve, that is in Uttarakhand, has the most population of tigers, that is 231. The map shows the tiger reserves in India. If you look at the map, Madhya Pradesh has the more number of tiger reserves. The second comes the Karnataka, and after that Uttarakhand. This map shows the tiger population in India. The black shaded portion shows that it has more than 500 tigers, that is Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka, 526 and 524 respectively. The second states, that is dark green shaded portion, that is Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. This comes in the range of 200 to 500 tigers. Maharashtra state has 312 tigers, Tamil Nadu has 264 tigers and Uttarakhand has 442 tigers. The bluish shaded portion, that is Kerala, Assam, this state has 100 to 200 tigers. The next shaded, that is light blue, like bluish, this state has less than 100 tigers, that is 20 to 50 tigers. The white shaded portion, the states has the Gujarat, Jammu and Kashmir, Haryana. This state does not have a tiger population.
Now, let us see how we can contribute to the Project Tiger. The first thing is that we have to ban the poaching, and severe and strict punishment has to be given for the poachers. Increasing more tiger reserves in India. We have to increase more tiger reserves in India. Create worldwide awareness. Tell others that the tiger and its habitat are in danger. We should conserve it. We should save the tiger as it is very important in the ecosystem. Conserve resources and do not clear up land. We have to conserve the resources which are provided by the nature to us, and we should not clear up land. That is, we have to stop deforesting. Increase the fire protection of forest. In case fire take place in the forest, then fire protection committee has to be ready with their materials, equipment to control the fire. Be a responsible tourist. The wilderness is to be experienced and not to be disturbed and polluted. Follow the Forest Department guidelines when visiting any wilderness. And do not tease the animals when you visit the wildlife sanctuaries. Ban the goods made up of tiger skin. Do not purchase the goods which are made up of tiger skin. Here we'll see the initiative taken by the government to save the tiger. The first initiative is a protocol has been signed in September 2011 with Bangladesh for the conservation of the Royal Bengal tigers of the Sundarban. In collaboration with Traffic India, an online crime data has been launched and genetic guidelines for preparation of region-specific security plan has been evolved. The Indian Wildlife Protection Act of 1972 enables government agency to take strict measures so as to ensure the conservation of the Bengal tiger. So these are some of the initiatives taken by the government to save the tigers. Beside everything else, tigers are also living beings like you and me. They also feel the pain. They also need their family. So we have to save the tigers and stop them from killing. So now I'm concluding the tiger project. This project has been undertaken by more than 50 national parks, and every national park is putting in equal efforts to save the endangered species. Humans have stopped from hunting and illegal trading of tiger skin to a very large extent, and it has almost stopped. This project has made sure that tigers do not have to suffer because of the selfish human needs. All the other animals that were depleting because of human interference has stopped. The impact of this project has been seen on the other animals which are getting extinct, which are on the way to getting extinct or endangered. People have become aware of wildlife problems and have taken steps to stop them from decreasing. By conserving and saving tigers, the entire wilderness ecosystem is conserved, as tiger is at the apex of the ecosystem. So by conserving tiger, the whole ecosystem will be conserved. Thank you.